Hi everyone, again it's me, your math teacher Jello. For today's video, I will show you how to divide fractions. To divide fraction by another fraction, invert the divisor or change the divisor to its reciprocal and multiply. So here for example, we have here the representation of fraction. So A over B divided by C over D. So we must copy the first fraction and then C over D becomes D over C. Sabi natin sa rule, change the divisor to its reciprocal. Yung divisor or yung second fraction natin, yung C over D magiging D over C. So, the numerator becomes the denominator. And then the denominator, that will be our numerator. And then, multiply. Okay? So, A times D is AD, B times C is BC. So, ganun lang kasimple. Okay? So, let's answer the following examples. Divide the following fractions. Okay, number 1, 2 over 3 divided by 3 over 4. Following our rule, guys. Okay, copy natin to, yung first fraction. So, 2 over 3 or 2/3. And then the division now becomes multiplication. Very good. Okay. And then, 3 over 4, magiging 4 over 3. Okay. And then, we simply multiply numerator to a numerator and then denominator to a denominator. So, 2 times 4 equals 8. And then, 3 times 3 equals 9. So, the answer is 8 over 9. Nakasimplest form na to, guys. Okay? So, actually, guys, pwede naman tayo mag cross multiplication. So, shortcut natin yon. 2 times 4 is 8, right? 3 times 3 equals 9. So, 8 over 9. Okay? Next, another example. So, copy the first fraction. So, 12 over 17. And then, the operation now becomes multiplication or change the operation to multiplication. 5 over 17 becomes 17 over 5. Okay, get the reciprocal, huwag kakalimutan. So, guys, dito, kung mapapansin natin, meron tayong common, right? Or magkaparehas. So, ito magiging 1 na lang yan. Okay? So, cancellation method. Tinuro ko sa previous video yan. So, 12 times 1 is equal to 12, right? And then, 1 times 5 equals 5. Or, kapag pina-express ng teacher nyo yung improper fraction, ito ay magiging 2 and 2 over 5. Very good. Okay? Kasi guys, pwede natin siyang i-simplify. Okay, so that's the answer. 12 over 5 or 2 and 2 over 5. Next, number 3. So what if guys, we have whole number? Okay? So huwag kayong kakabahan. Kapag may whole number tayo guys, okay, considered as 1. So 4 over 1 times 6 over 5 becomes 5 over 6. Okay? So 4 times 5 equals 20, right? Over 6. Or, i-divide natin yan kasi naka-improper fraction. So, ito ay magiging 3 and 1/3, right? Gets? Okay. Next, number 4. So, what if we have 2 over 7 divided by 8? So, nandito naman yung whole number natin. So, walang problema yan. Same procedure na ginawa natin. So, copy the first fraction. And then, the divisor, itong divisor, change it to reciprocal. Or change the reciprocal of the second fraction. So, times 8 over 1 to, guys. Magiging 1 over 8. Okay? And then, multiply natin yan. 2 times 1 equals 2. And then, 7 times 8 equals 56. Can we still simplify 2 over 56? Yes. Or 1 over, very good, 28. Kasi divisible by 2. Gets? So that's the answer. 2 over 56 or 1 over 28. And then number 5. So what if guys, meron tayong ganito, mixed fraction or mixed number. Paano ba tayo mag-divide ng mixed fraction or mixed number to another mixed number? So, ang gagawin natin dito guys ay i-express or change muna natin sa improper fraction. Okay? So, 8 and 1/4. So, magiging 4 times 8. Magiging 32 plus 1, 33. Right? Over 4. Okay. Next. And then, eto guys, ang mangyayari dito, ganun din. So, 2 times 8, 16 plus 1, very good. 17 over 8, right? Tama? Okay. So, it's not yet done. We need to get the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay, or the second fraction natin. So, this becomes, copy nyo lang yung first fraction, guys. Ayan. And then, the division sign becomes multiplication. Okay. So, 17 over 8 becomes 8 over 17. Gets? Next, that's the time na mag-multiply na tayo. So, 33 times 8, the product is 264. Divided by 4 times 17, that is equal to 68. So, if your teacher wishes you to express your answer in mixed number kasi naka-improper siya, so i-divide natin yan guys, or 3 and 15 over 17. So, that's the answer. Gets? Okay, next. For number 6, kindly comment your answer. So, ganun lang kasimple. Kung meron kayo natutunan sa video ito, kindly like and share. Thank you for watching.